Hello all, welcome to our project which is called AgriGuardian 360. Imagine a future where every farmer has the power of cutting edge technology and their fingerprints. A future where agriculture is smarter, more sustainable, and more prosperous. In a world facing unpredictable weather, fluctuating market prices, and resource scarcity, farmers often struggle to make informed decisions. But what if there was a way to change that? AgriGuardian 360 is a comprehensive solution that brings advanced AI, machine learning, and data analytics directly to the farm. It empowers farmers with tools that were once out of reach and making every decision smarter and more precise. So let's see the features. Our platform offers a suite of features designed to tackle the most pressing challenges in agriculture in India especially. First of all, we can see is the crop disease detection. Early detection of crop diseases using advanced image processing ensures that farmers can take timely action to protect their yields. Here we are taking a sample of an image where this model will detect what kind of disease the plant has. So here in this image, this disease is called spider mites, which affects the plants of tomato. After that, our next breaking uh, a next feature is yield prediction. This yield prediction model will help predict your crop yield with unparalleled accuracy, helping you plan better and reduce waste. Here we are selecting a state, for example, and then we'll just take a district. We will enter a year for which we want the data of, and then we will select the season according to which we need to grow our crops. This is where we are selecting our crops, and we are entering the area we own. This has predicted that our final yield would be 492.07 tons, which is pretty accurate as per our model. Now, nextly, we move forward to the weather forecasting. Weather is something that affects the farmers the most. We need to get precise weather forecasts to make informed decisions on planning and harvesting. Otherwise, all the uh, crops get destroyed. Here on the screen, you can see that we are seeing the complete for the weather forecast for 7 days. It is very accurate, and then we also have an alert system which tells if there is an extreme weather condition in the coming days. For example, here we can see this is saying that there is high wind and speed expected. So the farmer can take necessary precision precautions to prevent the loss of his crops. Next on we have soil assessment. Here we can assess soil health, pH levels and nutrient content with ease, optimizing your crop's growth potential. Here we have selected the field, which is plains of Gujarat, and then we have then we have seen the soil analysis, which tells us about the type of soil which is present in Gujarat, which is an alluvial soil. It is rich in potash and lime, but lacks nitrogen and phosphorus. So it is suggesting us what type of crops are suitable to grow in this region, like wheat, rice, sugarcane, and cotton, etc. And then we have crop rotation planner. So this concept is like once we have grown a crop, we cannot regrow it next year because of lack of nutrition. So we just put in the crop we have right now, which is wheat, and then it will recommend us the next crop, which is pulses. So it will balance out the nutrient level in the soil. Now this is fertilizer calculation. It will tell us how much amount of fertilizer we need, the NPK ratio, which is very crucial in the agriculture field, and what will be the estimated cost to implement all that. Now we will have a look at financial advisor. This financial advisor will help us with managing financial risk with tailored advice and assess to insurance options that safeguard your investment. Here, as you can see, we have a commodity price lookup. We'll select state, district, commodity, and the variety. Other than that is a grade. See, here we have got the price information. It is giving us the minimum price and the maximum price and the model price. This will help the farmer to decide at which price level he wants to sell his crops. After that, we have a we have a chat bot which is useful for the farmer to clear all his query regarding anything or any crop sitting anywhere in this world. Let's take a farmer who lives in Gujarat and he wants a help in finance and crop management. Now, we have asked for the help in financial and crop insurance sector, which most of the farmers do not have. Now, this chatbot will help us to help him educate about this, like finance. It will tell us about loan options and what types of operating loans and what are the government schemes available. How can he protect his yield and everything. Government schemes. So this is our homepage where we have also mentioned the government schemes for farmers. The government provides various schemes for the farmers, but they go unnoticed due to lack of information and awareness. This integrated platform will help them from A to Z, like from growing the seeds to plowing the output. So that's it. Thank you. Also, we have an e-commerce feature where a seller can make an account and then
फाइनल सबमिशन के लिए आपको एंट्री हो जाना है। और अभी कोई टीम में से कोई एक जना आपको प्रेजेंट रहेगा तो सही रहेगा। और 10 बजे बंद हो जाएगा।
okay, so now we have this is quantity and then we have price that we will be selecting. So for example, for a buyer wants to get tomatoes 26 kgs for 29 rupees per kg. It will post a demand. The demand is now posted successfully. What it will now do is match it with the available options, like the sellers who want to, yeah, like you can see over here we have put our data price, so this demand will be visible to the seller. Now whatever the seller has to offer, it will be also similarly shown there. Now this is a homepage for seller where we have previously added the tomatoes, the demand of tomatoes. Now the seller also has something to offer, so, for example, potatoes, and then we will add price and quantity. And this all area shows us what the seller has to offer. In case the seller and the demands of the buyer match, they can directly contact each other and get their orders fulfilled at the suitable price. So that's it. Thank you so much.